Green beans are sometimes a tough sell for children, right? So we have some green beans that are cut small. Instead of blanching them ahead of time or boiling them ahead of time, we're just going to saute them in a little bit of butter. And you can let your butter brown a little bit. It adds a little bit more flavor to it. That's plenty for a portion. Put a little salt. So green beans take well to heavy cooking. You know, you see them in cans or frozen where they're really soft, and I think that's a lot of what doesn't appeal to children is that sometimes they're served undercooked and they're crunchy, and you know they have this like sort of aversion to crunchy green vegetables. Sure. They really benefit well from long cooking. So we'll let them cook a little bit, start softening up. We're going to be pairing them with, you know, my go-to favorite for kids, brown rice pasta, very healthy gluten-free pasta. Just some really simple, nice diced tomatoes. These were actually even out of my garden. They're cherry tomatoes.
They look great.
We have some turkey bacon, and we're going to finish with some Parmesan. So we'll let that cook a little bit on low heat and just kind of let them soften up a little bit. I already put my salt, so they're good.
By using the butter, it's a great way to incorporate some healthy fats into your child's diet.
Right, because it's an austere. It's not like it's a real rich dish, you know. So you want to make it like a little bit fatty.
What vitamins can we find in green beans?
You can find vitamins A, D, and K, and it also has a lot of minerals like magnesium, folic acid, and it's a great source of fiber.
What is vitamin K and why do we need it?
Good question.
Vitamin K is actually something you're not born with. You're actually given to at birth. They give it to you in a shot, and it helps with blood clotting.